Hi guys, this is Jeff with HKS Systems, just looking to show you some of the inner workings of safes. A lot of people online do lock picking and bypassing. I'm just going to do something a little different. Plenty of information for that sort of stuff out there. Just looking to show you the inner workings of an actual safe lock. First you're going to have the bolt. This is in the extended position right now. That's basically what locks most of your bolt work shut. Then that's connected to the actual lever itself, the lever screw, which is used and put into the actual bolt as well. Then below that you actually have an internal relocker, which is made if the cover's ever removed or something smashed that in, it'll actually keep that mechanically locked. And then you have to bypass that to be able to retract the bolt to open the safe. From the other side of there, the lever has the nose. Behind here is a fence which you actually don't see unless you are on top of the actual safe. There's also a drive cam which is not installed. The drive cam's job is to actually spin all the wheels and make contact. We will go further in depth on these in future videos, but this is just the quick and easy. These are the wheels. Then you can see this cutout here is what's called the gate, and then there's in the back, which we will zoom up to, is the actual fence. If you are looking over the top of it from above, that's actually the fence. It goes into all three of those wheel packs, and when the combination is properly entered, it allows you to retract the bolt work. The actual drive cam is also timed and should be installed correctly depending on, you see the 4 positions. It also depends on where it is mounted, how those are timed, and you would install what's called a spline key. Once that is installed, the spindle from the outside of the dial screws into here. It's just basically a big fancy nut, and then when you have that timed correctly, you insert what's called a spline key to basically tie the 2 bolts and this nut together, so they shouldn't ever loosen unless you mean to do that. Sometimes they do loosen and you have an issue. That's when you need to call a locksmith. Also on here you'll see this little square section. That's actually the changing lug, so that's how you would change a combination. What it does basically is unlocks the pack and allows you to change the combination. If you need some service that requires a locksmith, I would definitely say don't try to change the combination yourself. Sometimes people get in big trouble with that and have issues and get locked out. Give us a call. We're relatively inexpensive. You're looking probably about $135 or so to actually come inspect the lock, change your combination, give you a new combination, make sure you don't get locked out, and it'd be a lot safer that way. If you need service for something like this, please give us a call. HKS Systems, 847-204-7046. Thank you.